This one just adopted this baby. This is like not even this one's baby.
He just came for.
He just came for some cuddles. I think his mom is over there eating hay, so I'm like, I'll just take any mom that'll take me.
And how do you? Here you go. Here we go. Another one.
Yeah, but I don't have a leg.
Oh, now it came in there.
Sorry, Bubby.
Oh,
Oh, goodness.
perfect.
Ooh,
Wow, this is a
little too
big
fast.
one.
A little too fast. I don't like it to come out so fast because of the umbilical
This is
cord.
big. Ah,
There. Okay, Mommy, sorry about that.
you're a
He's so
doctor.
fast. Super
Oh,
fast.
this one is also coming. Or he's just.
Just breathing heavy.
I see.
There's a lot of them, though.
So,
Here we go. Now the other one's having another one. This is like me,
Yeah.
running around like a crazy person.
that's amazing.
Come on, let's get to a cleaner place. Come on. Come. You're good, Mama. Come on. There you go.
Yeah.
Good girl.
How long do you keep them?
The
Like,
goat, the
yeah,
mama goats?
the moms, yeah.
About 10 years.
10 years. So.
What time did we say tomorrow? Let's do 9 because usually Monday I try to not have I try to take a little bit of the time off. Yeah, I wonder, do I do yoga once a week? And Monday is my only chance to do it. Maybe let's say noon or after lunch. Does that work better? Is that okay for you? Yeah. Okay, let's do that if you have time. And then I'll be here. Because I kind of want to be here. Sounds perfect. And then we'll get a schedule going. All right, I'll see you like, yeah, go through your way. Perfect. Thanks so much. I'm already getting so friendly.
I love this.
There you go. Are you hungry?
He's busy cleaning her daughter.
Too busy. Here you. I'm going to give you to your mom now.
Yeah.
Here comes the next one.
Coming.
So the saunas are known for the most milk.
Mhm.
That's more like Parmesan. Here it is.
They're very smart also. The goats.
Yep. Predators for predators.
Yeah.
That little baby's confused about who her mother
Who is that, Mom? It's amazing.
We had one mom that had all breech babies, tail first. Crazy. But they came out, so it was okay. Where is the head, though? There it is. Hi, little one. Hi, you. You want a brother or a sister?
Big brother.
Yes, here comes Big Brother. It's big.
Mm-hmm.
So this one must be a girl. Is that a girl? Yeah.
The girl, right? Yeah.
Oh, good idea. See, she knows she
Yeah,
needs
you
to
know.
move over.
Just give me the direction.
Yep.
I woke up. I wake up.
You're good.
Good, you're good, you're good. Good, Mama.
Where is that big head over there? It's a big one. Big one. I'm gonna come over here. Here it comes.
It's going to. Oh.
Maybe she wants to lay on that side.
Yeah.
You wanna lay
Wow.
down? You wanna lay down? You wanna lay down, girl?
It's also
She can't
taking the
decide.
amazing.
I know. Yeah, she does. Can't quite get comfortable. She needs a break.
He's tired.
So tired. Okay, now that one. How am I supposed to keep up with you two?
So I can maybe could I try this one? I can help with this.
I think.
Oh. He's almost there. Whew. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Good job. Now you got your hands dirty
Yeah,
too.
that's fine.
Here's a towel. Do you want a towel for me? All right, let's get you. The other one too is just huge, big
Yep.
babies. There you go.
Wow.
Good job, baby.
Amazing. Yep. There we go.
I like like to hold them a little bit, just let
Uh-huh.
all the blood go from the umbilical cord
Yeah.
before they break.
Baby number 2.
Guys,
There we go.
big, strong boy. Wow,
Ooh.
he's back. This one likes this one.
Yes, tired.
Can you breathe? There you go. Good job. Whew, I'm gonna sleep good tonight.
Yeah. So how many babies? Like 4, 3?
Today
2
we
here,
had
1 there, 2 there, 4.
two there, so that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 so far.
Wow, 8 babies.
Oh, 9 for the third.
Same as the right time.
9 babies.
Um,
Yesterday 11. I know,
Wow.
it goes fast.
Yeah, there's something ongoing here. The party.
Yeah, you want to go see your mom? She's busy with another one.
I'm so happy that I came.
Well, I can drive you back, so you don't have to take an Uber. How much money was it to take an Uber here?
It's about 20.
$20. Yeah.
Towards it.
I know, it's crazy.
I don't have the chance to see them. They knew that I'm coming.
Yeah.
Look at these babies, so beautiful.
Of doing more tourism, agro-tourism.
Because this kind of experiences are no more accessible
People
for a
need
lot
it.
of people,
I know,
especially
they
for
need it.
children.
It's healthy for them.
You know,
Are you stepping on this baby? Watch out, baby. Yeah, you're underneath the foot. There you
he
go.
was sleeping.
Goofy goof. Where's your mommy? We gotta find your mommy so you can get some food.
She's adopting all the kids.
I know. Should I go find her? I think she's over here. I know. You have a big belly, so I'm not too worried about you.
Do we expect another one or she is done?
I'll check her tummy and see. I
Mhm.
think that's all though. So I give him a
Yep,
hug.
you see, she did already.
That's a pee, the little girl's peeing.
Ooh, nice.
So right here, this is how you tell if there's any more
Uh-huh.
babies. And no, she's empty now.
You see.
Yeah. Right here, it's all soft.
Mhm. She's done.
She's done. Two big ones.
Yeah. Have it. Cleaning. Yes, the cleaning.
But I should go check on the other one.
Mhm.
It's so nice and warm. You don't even have to dry
Yeah, it's warm.
Yeah, they're so
Not cold.
good.
It's a very nice
When
day.
it's cold out, I have to dry them all over good.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I lied.
The placenta.
Well, maybe not. She's acting like that's another baby. Maybe
Let me
I didn't
check.
feel it.
Let me
Crazy.
check.
It could be the placenta, but it's,
Hmm.
that was like a real contraction, like almost like another baby one. We'll see.
Yeah.
I sure didn't feel it.
Maybe because she is big.
Yeah, maybe it's just contraction.
Hmm.
I'm gonna find your mama.
Hmm.
Find her.